Hi, my name is Noah Osted, and this is the first video in potentially a series of videos that will follow me and my learning in the realm of image classification as it relates to neural networks and deep learning. I am going to be starting with convolutional neural networks, and if I sound a bit noobish at times, it is because that is definitely the case, and I'm just going to be going through it. Right. So the first layer in a convolutional neural network is referred to as the convolution operation. And if you can imagine a picture, a simple photograph, that is basically just a matrix of pixels. So let's say that we have an image that is 5 by 5. Imagine that we have a 3 by 3 filter that we are going to shift over the larger image to detect patterns. We use this to create something called a convolved feature, which is calculated by element-wise multiplication. Another layer that is contained inside of the convolutional neural network is the pooling layer. This layer is responsible for reducing the spatial size of the convolved feature that is returned from the previous step. This is to decrease the computational power required to process the data. And then there are two ways of doing the pooling. There is max pooling and average pooling. Another important thing to note is the accuracy of a model's prediction given the amount of layers in a given network. The more layers, the more genuine understanding that a model can predict. So, if I was searching for a dog and I only had a few layers, I might only be able to determine that it's an animal. But with more layers and more deep learning, I would be able to discover that it is indeed a dog and maybe even a golden retriever. I think that's good enough for a basic introduction. In the next video, I will build my own convolutional neural network and train it and get it going. So I appreciate everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.